Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. I'm your host, Web Gear Guy, and today I would like to take a look at some more of the second pattern M-1956 LCE, standing for Load Carrying Equipment Gear. Now what we're looking at here is a large set of suspenders. The large pair are harder to find than the small ones. There seems to be a lot of small ones out there. But anyway, this happens to be a large pair. Now, the second pair of suspenders are virtually the same. They're built pretty much identical to the first pattern suspenders, except for a couple of changes. One of the changes here, if you'll see how this hook here is made out of stamped flat metal. The first pattern, this will all be made out of round wire. Now the second change on these M-1956 second pattern suspenders is they went back and put these old type clip gate hooks like was on some of the World War II equipment back on here, because these had a tendency to come off in the middle of field operations, and that's not a very good thing when you're in a bad situation. But anyway, these are virtually the same as the first pattern with those changes. Now let's take a look at the second pattern belt. In fact, I have a series. If you'll go to my channel and look on the playlist, I have a series of pistol belts videos. And anyway, there is one on the first and second pattern. But anyway, let's look at the second pattern right here. The second pattern belt is basically built just like the first pattern belt. It adjusts from both ends. See? It has the round hook there to hook into there instead of the old T. It has the same buckle. It has the same design. The main difference in this belt here and the first pattern belt is this one here has a vertical weave to it. See how the weave goes up and down? The first pattern had a horizontal weave. So it's very easy to see that with the M-1956 equipment, they were simply making some minor adjustments, trying to improve the equipment as they went along. Thank you for watching the Web Gear Review.